How to fix no GPS signal lost on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down to end. Click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset. After click on reset, click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin. So it just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, so disable battery optimization. After disable battery optimization, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update, and click on this first option, software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix no GPS signal lost on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.